Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So you may be being a little bit confused thinking, Jelly, why is it a fail? It's gorgeous. I love it. You'll see soon enough. So I've already gone ahead and applied 2 coats of this Kiki London gel polish. This is called Black Heart, and I've gone ahead and cured that in my lamp. And then I'm going ahead and applying the No Wipe top coat. So apply it nice and evenly. Make sure that you seal it all in by rubbing the brush against the free edge of your nail and cure that in your lamp. So if you're on Instagram, you will know how popular this little item is, and it's really difficult to get your hands on because it sells out really quick, but I managed to get it before the hype, I think. So it's a real good transfer gel. So it's not like a foil glue, it's like a gel polish, so it does need to be cured in the lamp, but I've used it before and it's just awesome. So it's like really nice and super thick. So I've been sent these gorgeous Galaxy foils from Born Pretty for review. They have got more options, but these are the 3 that I have chose. And I've got some other foils to try out as well in another video. So they're just really beautiful Galaxy images, and I had so many ideas that of manis that I could use creating this, but then had a little bit of an issue with the application, as you will see. So does anybody else think that just looks like eyes? Actually, I should have turned it the other way. If you turn it the other way, actually it looks like a lion. Can you see the mouth at the bottom? Like the mouth, yeah. Let me know if you can. And this is the other one as well. So beautiful, stunning foils. So I'm just getting a flat brush and I am applying this onto the nail. So it is thick, so you want to make sure that you're not applying it too thick. Make sure it's nice and thin out, and seal that free edge as well by running the brush across the bottom of the nail. And I mean, I have always kind of struggled applying foils, completely filling the nail and it kind of looking perfect. So this may be just down to me and not applying it properly. But I'm just trying to press it all down, trying not to get creases into it, but I always do, I inevitably do. So this is what I'm trying to do. So I actually was quite shocked when I took it off as to how much that hadn't kind of transferred. So you'll see that now. So I peel it off and all of the top one hasn't transferred. So I was so shocked with this, like I say, because I had such good results when I used the Stick It foil glue before. And generally I don't have any issues with Born Pretty products. They generally come and they do what you expect them to do. So I kind of tried to salvage it and come back in and press it down, and like a little bit of it transferred. So I've got a little bit more to transfer, and this is why I class it as a foil fail, because the foil obviously hasn't transferred as I would like it to have done. But I'm going to have a little bit more of a play with these. I don't think it's fair just to put this on just in case it's something that I'm doing wrong. So I'm going to have a little bit more of a play in a future video with it, just to see whether I can get a better application. So I'm speeding this up now. I'm just going to show you, obviously, applying the other foils and the other fails that inevitably come. But if you're new to my channel, I'm not normally this rubbish. So please press that free subscribe button and, check out my other channels if you're really into nail art and product reviews and nail designs, because that's what this channel is all about. And I'd really appreciate the support. So I did find if I came in with like a different part of the foil, it did kind of transfer better. Am I showing you that now? No, I'm not showing you that now. I think I'm showing you this now. Yeah, so when I came in with the separate foil, it did transfer it, although obviously it's not exactly the same. So it kind of fills it in a little bit to salvage it that little bit more. So this is the last foil, but I'm going to use this on the last couple of nails to apply it. So I've used this part of the foil first, and then I use a different part. And again, all failed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in and apply a layer of top coat, but I'm not going to be curing it just yet because I'm going to be adding some glitter. So I'm using All That Sparkles glitter, so it's a real beautiful glitter and it's called Hallie. And I've just sort of decanted a little bit, and then I'm basically just picking it up and just sort of sprinkling it on the nail, just, you know, randomly. I didn't want it, like I said, I didn't want loads. This is me basically trying to salvage it, trying to, you know, make it work kind of thing, even though it, you know, it didn't quite go to plan. So basically you want to go ahead and cure that in the lamp, and then I decided to come in with Madame Glam's, they're kind of a bit like a galaxy glitter, and basically putting that over the black that didn't quite transfer well, so you kind of got like that shimmer of colour. And then I also applied this one, which is Enchanted Sky. So this one's got a bit more of a blue sheen. So I didn't completely fill the nail with it, I just added bits of it, as you can see there, so you kind of get that flash of blue. And I'm kind of basically using that to hide the imperfections, and kind of this is the end look. So it's still pretty, it's still galaxy like, it's just I'm not very happy with how the foils have transferred. But like I say, bear with, I'm going to try and play around with it and see if I can get a better transfer. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts on this, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.